We already know that verb tense agreement means that all the verbs in a sentence are in the same tense. They all happen at the same time. Let's now see if we can choose the appropriate form of a verb in a sentence to achieve verb tense agreement. Let's look at this example. The snow something as the wind blew. So what are the options? Well, we've got fall, fallen, is falling, and fell. So to start with, let's find another verb in the sentence and work out its tense. Well, the other verb is blew, and it's in the past tense. We know that both verbs in the sentence need to be in the same tense, as the word as tells us that the two actions were happening at the same time. So we're looking for a verb in the past tense. Let's look at each of the options. Fall. Well, this is in the present tense, and we want the past tense, so it doesn't sound promising. Let's test it out, though, to see how it sounds. The snow fall as the wind blew. Well, it just sounds odd, so that's clearly not right. Reading sentences out loud is a great way of testing them to see if they're grammatically correct. Okay, let's try the next one. Fallen. Well, this sounds like it could be in the past tense, so let's try it out. The snow fallen as the wind blew. Again, it just sounds odd, so it's clearly not right. Now let's try is falling. Well, this is in the present tense, so we know that's no good, as we want the past tense. Okay, final one. Let's try fell. This is in the past tense, so let's test it out. The snow fell as the wind blew. Well, that sounds perfect, so that's the right match for the sentence. There is verb tense agreement. Okay, let's try one more. Emily is tired when she's something all night. And here are the options. Danced, dances, was dancing, and dance. As in the previous example, let's first find the tense of any other verbs in the sentence, and look out for any other words that give clues about whether the actions happen at the same time. So the other verb in the sentence is tired, which is in the present tense. There's also the word when, which suggests that the actions are linked, that they take place at the same time. So we're looking for a verb in the present tense. Let's have a look at the options. Danced and was dancing are in the past tense, so they're definitely not right. Also, when we try them in the sentence, they just don't sound right. So we're left with dance and dances. Both are in the present tense, so let's test them out to see how they sound. Emily is tired when she danced all night. Well, that clearly doesn't work, so let's try dances. Emily is tired when she dances all night. Yeah, that sounds good. So there is verb tense agreement. Remember, if the verbs in a sentence take place at the same time, then there must be verb tense agreement. Reading a sentence out loud is a great way of testing for this.